Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Coppola-backed Decentralized Pictures launches WEB3 film funding platform. WEB3 film funding platform Decentralized Pictures has announced the launch of its blockchain-based film financing application, set to go live during the Cannes Film Festival on May 20th. The app will launch with a documentary film award in partnership with the Gotham Film and Media Institute. Up to 2 winning projects will receive up to $50,000 each in finishing funds, alongside mentorship from the Decentralized Pictures Foundation and the Gotham. The platform effectively works along the same lines as a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. Filmmakers are invited to submit proposals on the platform for review, paying a small submission fee in the project's native token, film credits. They can earn film credits tokens by providing feedback on other projects' proposals. The community then votes to determine which projects should be considered for funding awards. Founded by producer-director Roman Coppola and members of Francis Ford Coppola's production company American Zoetrope, the Decentralized Pictures Foundation, DCP, is a 501(c)(3) nonprofit. It receives a portion of the profits from successful films funded by the platform, which are then allocated to new funding awards. After years of hard work, we're opening our doors to the community and inviting independent filmmakers around the world to submit their projects for a chance to bring their visions to life, said DCP co-founder Roman Coppola, in a statement accompanying the news. What we're trying to create here is an evergreen, self-sustaining film fund, Decentralized Pictures co-founder Mike Musante told Decrypt in a December 2021 interview. Built on a slightly tweaked version of the Tezos blockchain, the platform has ambitions of eventually evolving into a virtual studio, in which blockchain technology will play a part in every step of the production process. Our vision is that this virtual studio will be a constellation of apps that support independent artists and underserved artists, Musante said. Although Decentralized Pictures has DAO-like elements, it's not fully decentralized at launch. Projects voted on by the community will be submitted for review by an expert panel before funding is allocated. Still, the platform hopes to provide an alternative to the centralized gatekeepers that control access to the film industry as it stands. We're building another road, Decentralized Pictures co-founder Leo Matchett told Decrypt, describing the platform as a filtering mechanism to find quality filmmakers. Hollywood players are already pitching in too. Last month, Ocean's 11 director Steven Soderbergh contributed $300,000 to fund an award on the platform. As with a lot of things I've done, it's kind of an experiment, Soderbergh told industry publication IndieWire, adding that he wants to get up in the grill of this blockchain approach or structure, to see if it's going to do what it's supposed to do. On the platform's launch on May 20th, participants will be able to sign up, submit, and review proposals on the Decentralized Pictures site. The submission process for the Gotham and Decentralized Pictures documentary initiative kicks off on May 20th and will run through June 20. Decentralized Pictures will be presenting the platform at the Future of Film, a series of talks hosted by Decrypt and 3 Francs, at the Cannes Film Festival on May 20th. Gambardella is also the host of the very popular YouTube channel Crypto Capital Venture. Earlier today, May 14, he tweeted that we are watching Cardano blockchain explode with innovation, and went on to say that one project which acts as a community-run launchpad is now playing a big role in that innovation. He was referring to Cardashift, Club, a community-run launchpad that raises funds, builds, and accelerates startups that are solving social and environmental issues. I am 100% aware ADA underperforms in downturns. People don't realize that this is one reason I like it so much. Because while it does underperform in downturns, it outperforms in upturns. This means that we now have a way undervalued asset with most upside potential. This is my take on the market. This is my approach. This is my opinion based on my risk appetite and what I view as compelling opportunity. It's not advice to anyone to go out and buy ADA. Please be careful out there. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.